A wise man said, "It is even better to act quickly and err than to hesitate until the time of action is past." The fear of facing a lot of consequences can lead to hesitation and uneasiness. When you are expecting something, nervousness and anxiety can occur due to overanalyzing the situation. This way, it can make you go into deep depression, get angry, develop an eating disorder, etc. Overthinking a situation is bad for the mind and health alike. Here are a few pointers, 6 steps. Tip number 1, learn to relax. It may sound cliched, but relaxation has its own value. You can keep your mind extremely busy so that your current uncertainty of events does not bother you. Having a hobby, reading a book, taking brisk evening walk, exercising, or even watching television can help you to relax in a positive way. Being nervous about something will not lead to anything positive. So it will be better if you make use of free time that you have until you get busy. Tip number 2, ask yourself a few questions. One of these is, what is the worst that can happen? By analyzing consequences of that situation, it can help you to relax and quit being nervous altogether. You can even ask yourself, why am I thinking about this? Once you ask such questions, you will realize that it will lead to nothing but sadness and depression. So you quit being hesitant and challenge your own mind for the better. Tip number 3, create a schedule and stick to it. Hesitation and uneasiness occurs due to not making any actual contribution when there was time. Hence, being nervous at the last moment will only make you erratic and dysfunctional. By sticking to a schedule, you can avoid the last minute jitters and overcome uneasiness. Tip number 4, check to find out, is it fear or just discomfort? When you ask yourself whether it is fear of consequences or just that you are uncomfortable and you don't like that's happening will help you to analyze your behavior pattern. Do you get nervous very easily, or is that something that you face rarely? Hence, this will make you and your mind clearer about ideas in your head. This way, you will be able to build your thoughts rationally and avoid becoming anxious or stressed over the issue. Tip number 5, you are a winner whether it's a success or a learning. Failure teaches you more than anyone else. Humans are bound to fear from failures. But in real life scenario, a term called fear doesn't exist. It is either success or learning, nothing beside that. So, if the term failure is out of your dictionary, the feeling of fear will not come into your mind. Start a project with a clear prospect of learning, then 99 out of 100 chances are that you will experience a success at the end of the result. Remember, a wise man said, I have never failed, but yet when I failed 100 times, I discovered 100 ways which cannot take me to the goal. The motive of this statement is clear, that in case you are not able to achieve success, At the least, you will know that there are few alternatives needed in the way you followed to fulfill a particular goal. Tip number 6: keep plan B ready. Remember, you will never hesitate if you have a backup plan in place. An example for this can be taken out from our school period. When we are used to attending the school parents' meeting, when we go, then most of us are hesitant to meet the subject teacher which we never studied, subject which we never studied. Though we knew our parents must have a backup plan for us so that we can excel in that subject. That is why we took them. We took them to the subject teacher to discover our mistake and help us with a solution. In a similar way, there should always be plan B ready. Whenever you sense failure can be the outcome, so that in that case you fall on the plan B, which is ready, which is be patient and ready to persevere. Goals are never achieved overnight. They are always achieved with a particular plan, and unplanned lead to more chaotic condition, more chance of failure than a well-planned, organized way of doing something. The biggest advantage of planning is that it gives you an idea of time, money, and other aspects related to the goal. Hence, the uneasiness is eradicated completely. Thanks for listening.